You have to raise your hand from your place, okay? আমার মা প্রত্যেকদিন খুব ভালো রান্না করে।
My mother cooks well every day.
Very good. Give a big round of applause. Good. Good. Very good. আমার মা আমাকে প্রতিদিন স্কুলে নিয়ে যায়।
My mother takes me to school
Every day.
every day.
My mother takes me to school every day. Very good. Very good. Good. আমার মা আমাকে সুন্দরভাবে পড়ায়।
My mother teaches well every day.
খুব সুন্দরভাবে। খুব সুন্দরভাবে।
My mother teaches me to beautifully.
Very beautifully. Very good. Fantastic. Good. Good. Okay. This will be your homework. Okay.